You smell some smoky goodness going on? Smell some smoky goodness going on?
Arrive at your destination on 11 in 1,000 feet.
Oh my goodness.
Are you gonna ring the doorbell to see who's coming?
Look at this spread.
Who might this be? Hello, Mercy.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh, look at you. Nice meeting you guys. Jennifer and Corey. Mercy. So how long you off school for?
Another week.
Oh, okay. So you were on spring break and then hello.
Hi.
Yeah, who we got here?
I don't know.
Whose house did I show up at?
This is Kent Vanderweer's place. We've got a big trailer out in back. It's got, we've got stickers all over the
You got stickers all over it?
all these barbecue and cooking channels on YouTube.
Yeah.
Awesome. I've got more cookers than,
Yeah.
Carter's got pills.
How do you feel about Iowa Hawkeye football?
Oh man, they're great, For I like the part where they wave at the hospital with those little kids. That's cool. Other than that, I don't know. There's no football. Football's gone.
Football
Everywhere.
is gone. You get all your shots of this yet?
In stages. As more comes to the table, I get the camera out.
Wow.
So I'll be right back. I'm gonna get rid of the smoky smelling
Yeah, this is the ribs.
shirt that I'm wearing.
Oh, sorry.
Ooh, yeah.
That's hot.
Smoky goodness hot ribs.
Yeah. And what else? I told them this probably like with those meat,
Meat on the.
This one is for hot pot. That's hot pot. Grill. And this one I can.
Yeah, that's the vegetarian side.
Oh, there's a vegetarian side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have tongue, everything,
I do fish as well, so I could have.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
This is tofu.
Okay,
bean
but
curd.
I could do scallops and shrimp.
Ooh, good.
Okay, that's good. Okay. And of course I like with head, so that's okay. And then those are fish. Those are this one are fish. Okay, so you can put that with hot pot.
Okay.
So sounds good? All right. Yeah. Have a seat.
What do you think,
Beer?
Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr. guy?
Levi, you want
close to my
Mountain Dew?
And what are these?
Those are a spring roll vegetarian.
Okay.
So Yeah. All right, boy. Give me. I'm gonna put some.
She's gonna show you how it's done.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, how it's done.
Which is better than how I do it.
Can I get your the bowl?
I make a tremendous mess.
The bowl. Those are all vegetarians.
If I even attempt to try using
Okay.
these, that'll be the comedy of the century.
I'm definitely not using those
I
either.
used to be able to, but arthritis has seeped in and
The-
Can't do it anymore.
can't do it.
I couldn't do it to begin with. So
The
anyway,
last time I tried, I grabbed it, it was on the way up, and then boom!
off it went.
I was gonna make a fried rice, but I don't really
This is,
eat like.
Spare ribs, you said?
Yep.
Mr.
Yeah, you
SG?
can.
There it is.
On the
Can I
heated
get that?
Yep, on the pit barrel,
pit barrel.
only 3 hours. Just like when T-Roy and Justin were here, 3 hours, boom, that thing's a rib machine. Want
Excellent.
ribs in a
Right,
hurry.
this one, right? I mean, sorry. Those are fish. So you can.
Nothing better than some smoky goodness ribs right there.
That's right.
2.0.
What else do we need?
2.0 rides again.
I'm not yet. Just make sure that
Oh,
it's.
that's good. All right, let's see if Mr. Smoky Goodness 2.0 can still do
I
it.
used to be able to, but
Vegetables is.
I cheat.
That's not bad. It's way better than I could do.
Yeah, yeah.
Try something more challenging.
Did you put it?
Scallop?
Yep, yep.
All right, good job. Thank you. I mean, there you go.
You did it.
Recipe. There. And then you can
You got it back. It's just like riding a bike, right?
Yeah, but if I think about it, I'll be doing this.
Cuba, you want some?
You're missing out, SG. Mercy's gonna charge us for video, per watch.
We're watching, right? We don't need
So
that.
it's Mr. Smoky Goodness' birthday here after
Yesterday.
after our delicious hot pot meal here.
And for the record, I'm not getting older, I am regressing in time.
There you go.
So how old you are? I forgot.
Happy birthday, Mr. Smoky Goodness
Thank you,
2.0.
Mr. Corey, with the impeccably clean hands. Just for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Then you hear a squeaky door. All right, now we'll be. What am I gonna do?
Taking picture.
Happy birthday, Smoky Goodness.
Thank you, Mr. Corey, Chef Corey, professional chef.